Today, we're making a bookmark pencil case. Cut out the pieces needed accordingly. You'll need 2 pieces each for the head and hands. Sew the head piece leaving the top open. I'm using blanket stitch. Glue on the head features. 1 centimeter elastic band for the arms. Position the arms to get correct spacing. Glue the elastic band to the arm piece. Sew with blanket stitch. For the apron pocket, I just used running stitch. Leave allowance on the edge while applying glue, so that it won't make it harder to sew later. Sew a buttonhole for the nose. Pin the body pieces together and sew the sides only. Mark where to sew the button on. Measure elastic band to suitable length. Slip about 1 centimeter into the opening on the headpiece. Slip the other end into the bottom opening. Then sew both top and bottom close. And we're done for today's project. Thanks for watching.